Afternoon. I hope all is well. Today's October 21st, 2022. We're going to Lower Westchester County to Harrison, New York. It's over by White Plains. It says 2 systems aren't working. I don't know what that's kind of a coincidence, maybe something with the electrical breakers, who knows. But anyway, we're on our way to 2 no heats at the same house. We'll see what it is when we get there. Still in my little rental, or my loaner truck. Truck's still not ready. What's up, Hugh? But anyway, yeah, we're on our way. And we'll see what it is. What's today's temp right now?
61.
Yeah, 60 degrees right there. 60 degrees. That's nice. So, anyway, let's see what it is.
With
8 p.m.
Okay.
How you doing? What's going on?
Oh, the heat won't come on. So
Both systems or one?
It had been 2. One kicked on, but the other one didn't. The one upstairs hasn't.
Okay, let's check it out.
Okay.
If you don't mind. Okay, let's go up to the attic. You want to see something real quick? I'm going to show you what it is. You got your hot surface igniter, right? What do you notice in this system? So right now, what's supposed to happen? Your gas valve should be clicking on, right? So what does that say? Yep. And you're learning, man. I'm proud of you. God bless you. Let's start it over. Yeah, because your gas valve's off. It's not going to feed gas. Might need one more time of actual trying to start because it was off. It's not even a nuisance call because this, I believe, was our install, dude. So that's our fault. Like, that's crazy. Well, let's let this run. We're going to take a temperature split. We're going to check that filter because I know it was running in the AC season. This is actually 2019. Let me see that data plate there. Oh no, I have it right here. This is 22. So this is brand new. That's been here. I just realized as I was starting this up, this was installed in August. So with that gas valve being off, we all know that no one ever tested the heat, which pisses me off. So I'm going to open this coil right here. I had the customer open all of the windows, and I'm going to try to get some kind of the manufacturer gases to or, you know, the oils that they put on the heat exchanger to come up here rather than, we got to run it for like 10 minutes. I have every window in the house open. Back up and running. We're gonna go check another unit downstairs. He said it's running, but I want to check it at this point. Gee, just don't touch those cabinets yet. Don't open the cabinets yet. Okay, perfect. 71 on both. You have my light? Okay. Okay, this one's about to light. Okay. And then let's go over here. Temperature 72, so it's 40 to 70 or 67 degree temp rise. This one didn't, so .2 temp rise, delta T, hold 72.3. That call's finished. So there was 3 furnaces installed in August. One of them wasn't heating, I guess. Like I said in the beginning of the video, the directions they're not always specific or correct, but that's just crazy. So I ran all 3 of the systems that they have there. Make sure they're all proper. Took temp rises. They're all running well. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Today's Friday. Have an awesome weekend. It's 60 degrees is the high right now today. So I appreciate everything. Please like and subscribe. And people are already raking their leaves, I see. But all right, guys, take care. Great weekend. Stay well.